This is Sidney Lynne and Siena Hudson. We're here at another fabulous Hudson home at 7841 Southwest 172nd Place.
Pride of ownership is showcased throughout this 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, lovely home in Cooper Mountain. So I can't wait to show you the inside. Go on.
I'm so excited to share this home. Here we are in the living room, and I love all the features that the original owners have put in. They put in so much money and quality into every detail of this home. One example, when we first walk in, we see the hardwood maple floors. These aren't even engineered.
Wow.
It's solid maple. They've also carried that into the kitchen. With their new kitchen remodel is solid maple cabinets with gorgeous handles, and they have just taken such pride of ownership in every detail. Other things they've done, they added just a couple months ago, brand new top-of-the-line Carrier furnace and air conditioning, and they also have a new roof that's less than 10 years old.
Wow. I love that you can see the backyard from multiple windows, from the kitchen and from the breakfast nook. The beautifully, meticulously maintained backyard. You can see the fabulous view of Cooper Mountain and all the trees and the squirrels and the birds and the beautiful covered deck.
Yeah, it's a Trex deck, so it's no maintenance.
Wow.
Yeah, and they also, out of every window, even the front, I'm looking here, you can see just a backdrop of trees through every room. It
really showcases the beauty of the Pacific Northwest.
It sure does. And then the soaring ceilings here on the main floor, and 9-foot ceilings, and even upstairs.
And is there a fireplace?
Yeah, there's a really cozy fireplace. They have a beautiful gas fireplace insert that is so warm and beautiful.
What about the garage?
Yeah, it has a 2-car garage with lots of storage. Just the floor plan of this is amazing. So the backyard is one of my favorite parts. You do not get this in new construction with a private fenced backyard. In fact, they said the fence was quite new, and it is. You can just imagine all the barbecues, parties, I would just work on the back deck. It's such an inviting, and like you talked about, the squirrels and the birds, that is a highlight of this home. Yeah, this home is going to sell quickly. We expect multiple offers, and the owner will be reviewing the offers Monday at 7 p.m. So make sure and call Sidney Lynne and Siena Hudson at 503-358-2048 for your private showing of this home, and you can receive a list of homes similar in your price range and area. Call Sidney Lynne and Siena Hudson, 503-358-2048.